True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm in Santa Cruz, giving you all an update. You know, I start back from Jamaica. So today is Friday the 24th of October. So Melissa, they say it's coming to Jamaica. So I'm giving an update, showing you how I go on to Santa Cruz town. The day before they said the storm would come to Jamaica. Yeah man, so big up on yourself anyone I watch from yard and abroad. So welcome to St. Elizabeth guys. So you all can indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, indicate where you're watching from. So it looks like it's a busy day in Black River today. So you know everybody I come out and get them grocery and stuff. Yesterday when I go into the supermarket, when I check the shelf with the bread, I don't see any bread there. So everybody are prepared for this, because you know what happened before. I don't think anybody wanna reach this in this situation again. You know, Jamaica hit by, I think it was Beryl. Yeah man, so hopefully the people them prepare themselves for this. Can't take nothing lightly again. Don't know what's gonna happen. No say we have a lot of money and we never really planned for this, but we have to put all the necessary in place, like your water. No say we need drinking water, also some tin stuff, crackers. Them things they were not easy to spoil. Because if this supposed to hit Jamaica, we have to know say everybody has something to eat and I run the supermarket on the appointed time. But it all depends on how fast we all receive any money in our hand. So sometimes some people just get catch off guard. So my people gonna help on a brother, each one help one. Cause we know enough people don't really get paid as yet. And some boss them don't really ever say, alright, I'm gonna pay you before storm so they can get some grocery for the family. Some boss only look out for themselves, for them business run, but not looking out for others. Big up all the St. Elizabeth people, the Manchester, Clarendon. Big up on yourself. And my people, if you don't know, say you not drive through Santa Cruz in a rainy time, please avoid the back road. Yeah man, please avoid the back road, because when rain fall and they grow up on the back road, crazy water around there. place soon start get busy, man. As you know what we Jamaican always do, wait for the appointed time, you know. So we must always be prepared. Yeah, this is one of the largest supermarkets in Santa Cruz. Yeah, mommy, take your little time. Pack up your water back of them and pack up your grocery. Yeah, we have to care for the elderly. You have to care for each one. A lot of people don't really care nowadays. If it was a taxi man and he see this is happening, he would want to make a lot of noise. But care for each other, my beautiful people. Take your time, mommy. Take your time and pack up your groceries in your vehicle and go enjoy your weekend with your loved ones and family. Yeah, man. I drive through here, so I'm kind of through the market area. Go through, my general, go through. Wind up your steering, yes. Boss, car back load. Like you full up of water they now, prepare for the storm Melissa. Yeah, man. It's them storm name, I will get them female name here. Yeah. When you know when them female storm come here, problem, you know. Yes, my people. You all know this is Market Street, and you know all of the vendors them come off of the roadside and go into the market. Enough people don't know that. Who remember Market Street? First time a lot of vendors was out here, vendors all over the place. So this is what Market Street look like. Yeah, man, you have a free flow of traffic right here in the market area. So all of the vendors, they have to go into the market area. Yeah, man. So leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about this, my people. To see all the vendors going into the market, see the street side clean, less traffic, less hustle and bustle. If you just go in the market, you get to know goods there now. Come through, daddy. Take it easy, one step at a time. You will make it. A female is very observant, you know. So leave in the comment section, my people, where you're watching from. Maybe next time you can get a shout out in the video. Yeah man, like, share and subscribe if you learned something about our beautiful island Jamaica. We're in St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz, which would be one of the hottest towns in Jamaica. And also we're in the bread basket. So Santa Cruz heading towards, this will be Goshen, Mandeville, Malvern bypass, as you see the sign. Big up yourself, squaddy. Give boss a ticket and now. Watch there. Look up on the hill there, dark clouds. Like rain now if you come here now, brother. Whole place fog up that side there. Oh my God, it's like in the Manchester area. You see the dark clouds, like rain is falling in that area. Yes, my people. I'm gonna make the left turn right here. I will take you on to the bypass. So this is the road, me I tell you, so when rain fall, I beg you to try to avoid them area as much as possible, because them call it back road. When you talk about water, when the water come here, some people, crazy water. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna make the left turn. So we are going on the bypass. This would bypass Santa Cruz town. But you see when the rain fall, you hear me I say it, when the rain fall, them place a flood out some of the time. Crazy water come around them area, my people. So be careful if you can avoid around them area when a lot of rain is falling. Just avoid it. past Beagles. Them car is a Beagle Hagpen Road or something like that. On your left you have the Dunkley Town. We're heading close towards the Santa Cruz fire station. So right here is a Santa Cruz fire station. Yes, my people. We're heading along. So I make the left turn right to the almond chair right beside the fire station, can take you back up into the town area. So I'm gonna make the right turn. Yeah, this can take you in one of Santa Cruz, one of the biggest plaza in Santa Cruz. We have J&N Supermarket. Big up all the Santa Cruz massive, them big up on yourself. Big up all of the hustler them in the street. Yeah man, if you're not hustle, how you gonna eat? So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So I'm taking all to the stoplights. That's where the video gonna end for today.